What are we going to find?
Echo.
Huh?
Echo.
Anchor. Okay, anchor.
For echo. For echo. It's a house.
Get all the red. Get all the blue. Lord, get all the blue.
Oh, it's a goose. That's a goose. With a big one.
Okay, Lawrence, what are we going to find, Lord Lawrence?
A butterfly.
A butterfly. Find the butterfly.
A butterfly.
Find the butterfly.
A butterfly.
Rory.
Mommy. Butterfly.
Yes, find the butterfly.
Yeah, have wings. Antenna.
Close, close, close.
Sorry ng conference mo.
Ayaw. Find. Find your red, Rory. Attention. Ay, lagot. Find the blue. Color blue. Ay, naku po si Rory. Makulit ngayon, ha. Find the red.
A donut.
No more Rory. Oh, no more Rory. Oh, you're not finding the red. Ala. Oh, you're not working, ha? No more Rory na. Sige ka.
Mix the chocolate mixer.
Go, go, go.
It's a chocolate mixer.
Go find. Go find your concrete mixer.
The chocolate mixer. Oh, the chocolate mixer.
Go find. Rory. Ah, Rory ang likot.
Oh, the chocolate mixer.
Okay, go, go find.
Oh, the
Find.
green one.
Alright, oh, go. Fix inside. Fix together pala.
Okay.
Diana! Very good.
It's a banana. And you do a banana.
Banana and what? Banana and... What else?
Yin yin.
What else? Banana and...
Yin yin.
And?
Wow.
What do you want to find?
Yin.
Find the banana. Rory naman.
A yin yin.
What's a yan?
Wow, banana.
Wala namang yan dyan. Oh, banana only? Okay, next. Okay, Juliana, what are we going to find? Find dog. Find the dog now. Find the dog. Oh. Find the dog na. Find the dog. Okay, thank you. Oh, Rory, what are we going to find? Find the...
Yeah. A cruiser. How many, Rory?
Get the red, Rory.
A butterfly. Red house.
Get the blue, Lord.
But no.
Fix.
But no.
Oh, you're almost done.
Okay.
Yay! Good job.
It's a five.
Okay, high five kayo, high five. High five. Okay, oh, go. Back away. Now, what do you like to find? What do you like to find? Find the... Huh? What do you want to find? What's that?
It's a
Find the...
Rory.
Hindi,
Find Rory.
hindi, Juliana first. What do you want to find? Put it here. Find the...
House.
What's this? Penguin and... Bear. Okay, find the penguin and bear. Sabi ni
A
Juliana.
penguin.
Okay, where's the bear? And the penguin. Penguin, I found it.
Where's the bear go?
Where's the bear? Oh no, where's my bear? I got it.
I got it. It's a bear.
Where's your bear and your penguin? Rory. Bear, put it here, please. Tagal ni Rory. Airplane and car.
And a car.
Good job. High five.
Go.
Ay, nako si Rory. Goodbye, Rory. Wala ka siyang airplane and car. Allah, si Rory. Goodbye na. Bye-bye to Rory na. Bye-bye, Rory. Stand up na dyan. Stand up. Bye-bye, Rory.
No.
Oh, why you not looking for the airplane and the car? Allah ka dyan. Where's your airplane? Red airplane. Red car. Where's your red airplane? Oh, good job. High five mo siya. Yan. Okay. Good job. Oh, next. Find the bike and the boat. Boat. Where's the boat?
It's a bike.
The bike and the boat.
Fighting. Fighting.
It's okay. It's okay. Go, Rory. Come on. Fix, Rory. Black. Put in the black. Okay, more. Lord Lawrence, more. Lagot si Rory, hindi pa nakagawa. Rory, you haven't done yet anything.
No, no.
Oh no! You have to fix it. It's okay, kay Lawrence. Making the fire truck. Ikaw, good job. What did you make? Ambulance and car. Taxi. Make the, Allah, help me, teacher. You say help me, teacher.
Help me.
This one, it is. What's wrong? Oh, this one here. This one there. Ayan.
This one is good. This one is green. This one no.
Okay, Juliana. Wait lang, Rory. Anong ginawa mo kasi? Oh, Juliana. Oh, sige na, go. It's okay. Okay, go. Lord. Work. Yellow. Thank you, Lord.
Ito Lord.
Lord Lawrence, find that. Igloo. Alright, I found it. Ay, nako, si Rory, not looking. Bye-bye, Rory! Ate Sel, ayoko na kay Rory. Bye-bye na siya.
The fireworks.
Ate Sel, tatawag na yung daddy niya.
No.
Where's your igloo?
There.
Warning number 1, Rory, Warning number 1. Go home ka na, go home.
Let's go. No.
You're not paying attention.
Ang sender na ligaw sa
Let's go, Rory!
Oh.
Go home ka na.
Kasi sunod na lang. Upo ka. Ano?
Find the bike and the boat. Very good. Very good, Juliana. Very good. Ala, si Rory, oh. Ay, naku. Bye-bye na talaga si Rory.
Stand up.
Ha? Fine. Find the bike and the boat, Rory. Bike and the boat. And the boat, please. Find. Boat. Or the ship. That's F. That's the train. Find the boat. Thank you. Okay, good job. High five.
Okay.
High five. Good job. Next. Want you to find the ice cream
Ice cream.
and the donut. Where's the donut?
A donut. Apple donut.
Ice cream and donut, Rory! Ay, naku naman. Bye-bye na si Rory. Warning number 2 ka na, Rory, ah.
One more. My hand.
Correct. Do not bounce your shell.
It's a hand.
Move forward.
It's a hand.
Yeah, it looks like a hand. Okay, go more. More. It's a star and a rainbow. It's a rainbow star. Fix yellow. Fix red. Very good, Juliana. Malapit na si Juliana. Wow, making effort si Lord.
Oh, look at
Very good, Rory. Wow! See, I did it! I'm champion!
Yeah.
Wait lang. Okay. Number 1. We're gonna make some
A chocolate mixer.
Ay, mamaya na lang kaya ito. Mamaya na lang kaya ito. One for you, and the other one is for Juliana.
We'll on the bicycle running. We're on the bicycle running. It's a police car. A police car.
Ready? Okay. Make the police car together. Okay, build the police car together. Help.
Wheels of the police car around. And the police car.
Not you lang. Okay, what is this?
It's a tiger and a bear.
No, what is this?
The police car.
Police car. Who's inside?
The bear and the tiger.
Who's driving?
A bear and the tiger.
Who's driving the police car?
Bear.
It's the bear. And the passenger is the
Bear.
tiger.
Tiger.
Okay, next. Oh, Rory.
Ay.
Uy, huwag na yung mag...
Juliana. Very good. Lord. Very good. Okay. Rory. Can put here, oh. May yellow din dito, oh.
Ay. Ay.
Make it fast. Ano ba yan? One lang, oh. Ito naman. Ito green, oh. Taas, Juliana. Lord. Dito sa taas yung Rory. More. Rory.
I want hands.
No, you fix it. Meron pa.
The wagon.
Yeah, there's water inside. Then there's bubbles. You pop the bubbles. There's bubbles. Go. Ay, bakit yung green? Wrong! put in the green.
Here. I'm done yet.
You're not yet done. Are you done, Rory?
Yes.
Oh, let me picture you.
Lord. At the blue.
Wag mo yung... Wag...
No, it's darker.
Wait lang, wait. Okay, Lord's turn. Go, put red. Okay, thank you. Oh. Rory, black, put black. Wrong dito sa may black, ah. You follow. Follow in the black. In the black. Okay. Oh, Juliana, in the pink. Okay, ikaw naman. Go. Yellow.
White. Oh. Oh. You know good.
Nag-behave na to. Ano ba ito no? Are you very good in the school na?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You're not pasaway anymore?
Yeah. I'm foggy now.
Oh, you're foggy now? Before, you're not foggy?
I'm foggy.
You're foggy pala. Not yet your turn. No? Juliana, red. You're foggy now. In the yellow. Darling.
Oh.
Very good. Oh, put in the blue, Rory. Ay, ouchie. Very good. Oh, ikaw naman. Okay, ikaw naman. Dito sa pitch. O dito sa kabila. Lord, you're done? No more rubber band? Okay, ito pa.
Now, how about you?
Sharing sa'yo, ayaw na. Daya mo, ha? Ayaw mo na mag-share ng load. Go, Rory. Okay, good. How about you, Juliana? Pili kayo sa black. Okay. Lord. Red. Ito yung red. Wrong na. Nasa ilalim na. Oh no, wrong na, wrong. It's okay na. Nasa ilalim na yung red. It's wrong na. Okay, Rory, put in yellow. Blue, dito yung blue. Yellow sa baba. Go, Rory. Go, Rory!
Where's this?
Ayan, oh, yellow. You can put yellow like that. Oh, it's okay. It's still in the shade of yellow.
No.
Okay, good. How about you, Juliana? Put more green. Okay, ikaw naman, Lord.
No.
Okay, good. Good job. Sit down. Ay, nako. I will buy another Rory in the mall. Let's buy Rory.
No.
Oh, sige. Oh, next. Put in the colors. Very good, Juliana. At sa Lord. Lord po, Lord!
Wala, sir. Pero na-complete na writing. Hindi nagamit sa red. Yung sa kabila, sir. Sorry.
go. Lord, make it fast.
Wala, sir. Sino yung red?
Say hi. Oh, put the colors, ha? Put in red. Okay, put the red inside the red. Oh, put in the yellow. The strong blue. Put in blue.